Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the Aliexpress app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Well, first of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Aliexpress app. After the home page of the Aliexpress app opens up on your screen, on the bottom right corner of your screen you'll see the account option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the account option, on the top of your screen you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the bottom of your screen you'll have to click on the more options button. After you click on the more options button, you'll find the forgot password option just below the sign in button. Once you click on the forgot password option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page you'll have to fill in your login ID here and then slide this to verify. After you slide to verify, and if you fill in your email address or member ID correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to retrieve or reset your password on the Aliexpress app. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Aliexpress app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.